32 secret combinations on your keyboard. Have you ever thought how many secrets are hidden inside of your computer? Only 20 years ago, the most advanced computers had a hard drive capacity of 320 megabytes. Ooh. And it was considered as a great breakthrough in personal computers technology at that time. Since then, a lot of things have changed. We almost don't use mice anymore and prefer touchpads and touchscreens. But a keyboard is the only thing that seems to be unchanged. Here's a list of all the hotkey combinations that will certainly come in handy, no matter whether you're a Windows or OS X user. Let's start with the Windows keyboard and its 23 secret combinations. First, find the Windows key. Usually it's located on the lower row of the keyboard, to the left of the spacebar. Find it? Now that one. Yeah, that's it. Great. This button will be involved in all of the following combinations, so just keep your finger on it. Ready? Let's go. Combination number 1. If you just press the Win key, it will open the Start menu. In Windows 8.1, it will open the previous window. Combination number 2. Press Win key followed by an A. In Windows 10, it will open the Action Center. The Action Center gives you quick access to your computer settings. Easy. Combination number 3. The combination of Win key and B key selects the first icon in the notification area. You can then switch between the icons using the arrow keys. Combination number 4. Win key plus Control key followed by B. This combination switches to a program indicating a new message in the notification area. Got it? Alright, let's move forward. Combination number 5. Press Win key and C keys. It will show the Charm bar in Windows 8 and 8.1 versions. In Windows 10, it opens Corona, but only if you're using a supported language. For English, it should work just fine. Combination number 6. This one is beneficial if you want to minimize all the open windows immediately. Just press Win key followed by D key, and you will see your desktop in a split of a second. Combination number 7. It provides quick access to Windows Explorer. For that, it's Win key and E keys together. Easy as that. In Windows 10, it also opens the Quick Launch by default. Combination number 8 of Win key and F key pressed together opens Find Files and Folders. In Windows 10, it opens Feedback Hub. Combination number 9. 3 keys. Win key plus Control plus F open Find Computers. You with me? Okay, what's next? Combination number 10. Win key plus G key. It works differently in different Windows versions. In Windows 7 and Vista, it brings all the gadgets to the foreground that are in process at the moment. In Windows 10, it opens the game bar. You want to play? Now you know how to do it quickly. Combination number 11. Press Win and K keys. It will open a new Start menu, connections in Windows 8 and 8.1. If you want to change the user or lock the workstation quickly, then use combination number 11. Just press Win key followed by L for love, and it will do it for you. Don't you just love it? Another hotkey combination that you're just going to use every day for sure, combination number 13. Keys Win and M minimizes all windows. It's very handy. Combination number 14 will restore the last minimized window. Just press these 3 keys, Win, Shift, and M, and here you are. Combination number 15 of keys Win and O pressed together will lock your device orientation and will disable the gyroscope function on tablets. Combination number 16. Do you use any internal monitor or projector? Then press Win key followed by P key, and it will switch operating modes. It only works for Windows 7 and newer. What's next? Are you searching for something inside your computer? Then use combination number 17 of keys Win and Q. It will open Search Charm for all installed apps in Windows 8 and newer. Combination number 18 will open the Run dialog box for you. Just press Win key and R, and then choose a program or application you want to run. Combination number 19. Keys Win and T will switch focus to the taskbar. It only works in Windows 7 and newer. U stands for Utility. So, combination number 20 of the keys Win and U will open the Utility Manager for you. Do you need to work with notes or screenshots? Press Win key and W, and it will open Windows Ink Workspace. Very handy. Combination 22. Win key followed by X will open the Windows Mobile Application Center. This works only for mobile computers in Windows Vista and 7. And the last combination for Windows, Win key and Y will start Yahoo Messenger for you if installed, of course. Woohoo! We are done with Windows Keyboard. Are you Mac users still with us? Raise your hands. Wow, look at the hands. Okay, it's your turn. Here are 9 powerful combinations that you're gonna love. Let's begin. Surfing through websites, press Command key together with up arrow and it will immediately scroll to the top of any web page. However, if you want to go down, press Command key followed by down arrow and you will be at the bottom of the web page. Combination 3 will help you cycle through misspelled words in any open document. Just press Command and semicolon, and here you go. Command key followed by 1 or 2 or 3 will conveniently cycle through any open tabs you have in your browser. Command plus 1 will take you to the first tab. Command plus 2 will take you to the second, and so on. Easy, isn't it? Combination number 5 of keys Option and Delete. This handy keyboard shortcut will delete one word at a time, as opposed to one letter at a time. This works all across OS X, whether you're typing in TextEdit or even when typing a website into your browser's URL bar. Combination number 6. Do you want to hide all open windows from the currently active app quickly? Just press Command key followed by H for hide. Combination number 7 is a lifesaver if you accidentally close a window and can't remember the URL. Press keys Command, Shift, and T together, and it will instantly open up the most recently closed tab in your browser. Combination number 8. Combination of Command and F3 keys will remove all app windows from view and let you take a gander at your desktop. To bring your apps back, just press the keys again. And number 9. Combination of Option plus Shift plus volume up or volume down comes in especially handy when you're trying to get your audio output levels just right. It increases or decreases your machine's volume in much smaller increments. And a secret one, this keyboard shortcut will deposit $10,000 into your bank account automatically. It's Shift, $, and then happy face. No, I've never been able to get it to work, but I thought maybe you guys might. Let me know. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. They also need to know it. Hit the like button below and click subscribe to join us on the bright side of life.